So the Bachelor of Business is a very practical degree. It allows you to work hands-on and use techniques such as design thinking and experiential learning throughout your course. Subjects like business model execution, which allows you to really see that step-by-step process, get involved on campus in a number of ways. It really isn't just limited to being in a lecture and trying to churn through information that way. It's getting you to go out and develop those practical skills that you need in the workforce today. So I'm doing a major in innovation and entrepreneurship, but it was through involvement in the Transformer program and also the Myriad Mission study tour earlier this year that I really learned about the entrepreneurial method and how that can apply to my life and my direction with my career. You know, my goal ultimately is to start my own business in the long term and to be able to possibly be a consultant for a company. I want to know what we can do as individuals to make organisations more creative and really lead the way into the future of the digital revolution, basically. I think the Bachelor of Business gives you a really generalised route into business that allows you to develop the skills to be either an entrepreneur or an intrapreneur within existing organisations.